back to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. I know I'm looking kind of shiny, it's kind of hot. It's so hot today, you guys. But as promised, today's Monday, which means you guys get the Monday mashup of hairstyles that I had created for Instagram. And in this week's Monday mashup, we are going to be using the same base to create 5 different hairstyles. And in this week's hairstyle segment, we are going to be creating 5 faux hawks. Using the exact same base. So basically you can do this hairstyle on a Sunday, you can do the base on a Sunday, and then go through the week changing your styles. How amazing is that be? So to start off, you're going to section your hair into 3 equal parts, and to start off your sections, you're going to section your hair from one ear to the other, and then you're going to just tie that up and section it out of the way using a scrunchie. You're now going to section the back of your head again using a scrunchie until you create 3 equal parts, so 2 diagonal parts, 1 in the front and 1 in the back to create 3 parts. You're going to use the gel of your choice. In this video I'm going to be using VO5 gel, but guys, I get it so I don't like telling you guys what gels I use the most, because for some of you, like, I have certain gels that I've had influencers talk about and bloggers talk about that completely flake in my own hair. So just use a gel that works for you and create these styles. So for the style, I kept the style overnight until it was dry, and then on the next day what you're going to do is you are now going to take your kinky hair. The kinky hair that I'm using in this particular video is Sublime kinky hair. You know I love this hair. It's lasts me so long. I can use it for so many different styles and I can keep them coming. So you're going to attach a scrunchie to your Sublime hair right in the middle, so you can have 2 equal sections from your 5 strands of Sublime hair. You're going to attach them onto your hair like a ponytail, and then you're going to half this ponytail into 2 equal parts, and then all you need to do is now roll your hair into like a little like ball, and then use your bobby pins to fasten this hair. You're going to continue to do that on each and every part of your section, so your 3 sections, until you have 6 equal balls or little buns to create your 4-bun hawk. I love this. I know I've seen it so many times on Instagram. I've seen it on so many of my favorite bloggers, and I mean, it's beautiful, it's trendy, it's gorgeous, it's funky. I love funky hairstyles. They make me feel like, you know what, guys, natural hair is the bum.com. Okay, bum.com. And now we're going to move on to the next hairstyle. Now I absolutely love this hairstyle. This is like a messy hawk style, and when I recreated this, when I managed to do this, I was on top of the moon. So all you're going to do is you're going to braid your hair into, you're going to take your canacolone hair, you're going to braid it into 3 ponytails, and then you're just going to fluff them like you're creating a butterfly braid. So you're just going to pull onto the hair you're going to pull the hairs, and then some of them you're going to pull all the way out. Once you pull them all the way out, what you're going to then follow by doing is you're going to take your flexi rods, I think they're called flexi rods, and then you're going to attach them on a couple of strands, not a lot. Remember, this is just to create that messy bun vibe. So you're going to just attach them onto certain parts of the braid itself, and once you do that, you're just gonna put it in hot water. And the nice thing about canacolone hair is it curls so easily, so the moment you take it out of the hot water and dry it using a drying towel, you're done. You are done. It's done. And now all you have to do is you're going to attach it onto your 3 sections, and you're going to make sure that you make them voluminous and you fluff them up and you play around with them so that you can have that messy 4 hawk style. I've seen this hairstyle on so many beautiful women. And for this one, this is just like 3 bun 4 hawk. So basically it's just 3 bun 2 hawks. So what you're going to do is, again, you're going to attach your canacolone hair like a ponytail onto your already sectioned hair, and then you're just going to twist it like you're creating a bunch knot. So just twist it in the same direction as it curls towards your hairline. You keep going and you keep going and you keep going, because that's how you create a bunch knot. You fasten it, play around with it, make sure it's going under the first curled parts and the first rounded parts, and then what you just do is you keep twisting it around itself until you have it secure right at the root, because that is actually where you secure your bunch knot. And then just like that, add some medium gold, love to it, and you're done. And then for this was one of my favorite styles. I absolutely love this. This is my twisted back fringe faux hawk. So what you're going to do again, you're going to take your canicolone hair. Wow, canicolone hair is doing the most in this. So canicolone hair, I'm talking about darling hair, expression hair. You're going to attach it again to your sections that are already created. You're going to half the hair that you've attached, twist it, and once you twist it, you just play around with it to create like lines in your hair. So you just bobby pin it in, and then again just twist your hair all the way to the end. Once you twist it all the way to the end, just fluff it a little bit so that it's not a tight twist. You need it to be like a loose twist so that when you do bobby pin it onto your hair, it doesn't look like, you know, too done up. It's supposed to look like, you know, just take your second there, you know, lock your hair, just woke up like this, like you woke up like this. Okay, B. So once you're done doing that, again, you're just going to use your bobby pins to fasten all of this. Play around with it, guys. Make sure that your natural hair isn't showing up in the canicolone hair. And then the other thing that I did is I attached a weave in the front and I used bobby pins. That's just my curly weave, and then that's my faux fringe. And there you have it, my honeys. And then for the last style, this is the easiest of them all because I just used my drawstring ponytail, and it has two combs, one in the front and one in the back. I just attached it onto my head and then used my bobby pins to create that very tapered faux hawk. And once I did that, I cut beads that I got from my mom like a long time ago. I think I was still in primary school, and then I just attached them onto my head using, again, bobby pins. Bobby pins and scrunchies are going to be your friends in the styles. And then just like that, you have yourself a simple faux hawk that is so on trend. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, I love you, I love you. You guys are amazing. Mwah! Bye. Now, just do the damn thing. Just, it's right here. Subscribe, comment down below, turn on your notifications, turn on your notifications.